Hello everyone, welcome to today's deep dive into the expansive world of digital marketing. So whether you're a beginner or you're looking to refine your knowledge, this video is for you. So first up, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing in its simplest form is the promotion of products, services, and brands using digital channels. So this could be through websites, social media, email, or apps. Think of it as traditional marketing, but using online platforms for your distribution. Second point that I want to talk about is inbound marketing versus digital marketing. So often people confuse digital marketing with inbound marketing. While they overlap, there is a difference. Digital marketing focuses on promoting and advertising using digital channels. Inbound marketing is about creating valuable content that's tailored for a specific audience, drawing them in more naturally. So 3, why is digital marketing important? Digital marketing is essential for 4 reasons. So number 1, because it reaches people where they spend their time. Now more than ever, people are spending their time online. This is why digital marketing is so important. You're reaching people right where they are and where they're spending money. Number 2, it offers advanced targeting options. So instead of just putting an ad out there and hoping it reaches the right person, you can think about who it is specifically that you're interested in attracting for your business and target that type of customer or buyer persona specifically. Number 3, it provides measurable results. There's tons of analytics online, and you can directly trace the ad spend or the content marketing, whatever it is that you're doing, directly back to the results that you're seeing. And number 4, going right along with that, it's scalable and adjustable. So as you find things that are working, it's much easier to scale that up or scale it down if something's not working and adjust it to meet the needs of your marketing and advertising budget and goals. Number 4, business to business versus business to consumer digital marketing. B2B targets other businesses and may focus on something like LinkedIn or conducting webinars to attract business owners. Business to consumer marketing is going to target consumers and maybe they'll focus more on social media ads or influencer collaborations. So there's 2 different types and 2 different main branches. 5th point, the types of digital marketing. So there are tons of different digital marketing types, but we're going to talk about the key ones, and there's 9 of them. The first one is search engine optimization. Number 2 is content marketing. Number 3 is social media marketing. Number 4 is pay-per-click. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. Number 6 is influencer marketing. Number 7 is marketing automation. Number 8 is email marketing. Number 9 is mobile marketing, which brings us to the 6th part of this, the benefits of digital marketing. So here's why you should be embracing digital marketing. Number 1, it's cost effective compared to traditional methods. Number 2, there's a higher return on investment. Number 3, you can get real-time results and analytics for your efforts. Number 4, there's an enhanced audience engagement. And number 5, there's global reach. You're not limited by just the geography of the marketing product like a radio station of the past. You can reach all over the globe with today's tools. Number 7, creating a digital marketing strategy with SMART goals. Once you understand all this and you're ready to get started, a successful digital marketing campaign starts with SMART goals, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. So here's the basic process. Specific, clearly define your marketing goal, your digital marketing goal. 2, measurable. How are you going to track it? 3, achievable. Ensure that your goal is going to be realistic. 4, relevant. Does it align with your business objectives? Number 5, time-bound. Set a deadline and identify your audience, choose the right channels, allocate your budget, implement, and always analyze and adjust. So there you have it. That's a comprehensive overview of digital marketing. Remember, in the digital age, adaptability and continuous learning are key. Don't hesitate to dive deeper into any of the mentioned areas and start applying what you learn. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, catch you in the next video.